This is Nico from Toption. Now we are showing you how the installation of our high pressure reactors. Now we show you how to use it. Firstly, we put the PTFE reaction washers in this stainless steel washers. You can see it must be made very well. You must make it very well in here. This is the gas valve. We can, and here is the temperature sensor valve. Okay, we must to close it. We must to close it very tightly. So please ensure this, and then we put in it this one. We close the reactor lid as here, and we will send you this code to close it. You must close it very tightly. As here, we will not show you. We will just show you how to tighten it, how to tighten it. Okay. But when you use, please ensure it's very tightly. It's very tightly closed. Okay. Very tightly closed by this screw. Okay. Yes. For the first circle, we don't need to use the tool. We just close it very immediately. Okay. After you close it, then you use this tool to tighten. Then I show you this direction to this two direction, and this direction to tighten it one by one by this one. Okay. To ensure they are very evenly tightened it. Okay, this one and then this one. To tighten it, please tighten it. And then this one and this one, right? To guarantee they are evenly tightened. It. Okay. This is the tips. This is the tips to how to tighten the reactor lid. How to tighten it. Okay. This is the tips. Please use this method to tighten them. Okay. Now we are tightening the reactor lids as here to show you. We tighten it very evenly to keep their balance during this six parts. And we are lab equipment manufacturer in China. We provide reactors, evaporators, distillers. If you want to find lab equipment, welcome to contact us. Okay, welcome to contact us. Okay, it's okay. Okay, and you can see here is a hole at here. We put this is the temperature sensor. Temperature sensor in this hole. You can see. Then to display the reaction temperature. Reaction can monitor the reaction temperature in these process in time. Okay. Here is the pressure gauge to install at here. And then now we have finished this part installation, the reaction washers. We also need to tighten this position to avoid the gas leakage situation. So we need to install to tighten this one. Typing these two positions. The position we have tightened them. To avoid the gas liquid gas. Here is the temperature sensor. You can see the temperature sensor is connected here. Okay. To ensure to display the temperatures of the reaction in a reaction tank. Okay, then we put it in. We put this reaction tank in it, and here is the temperature sensors we connect at the backside, and here is the this is the plug. We can support customizations, and at here, okay, at here is the button to connect to the electric power on and power off at here. Power on and power off at here. You can see it. Here has our CE certification, CE certifications. But and this reactors we have the CE certifications, and all our other equipment all have the ISO and the CE certifications. Then let's to show you in detail. 好，给大家展示一下细节。